and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Mental health, the linchpin of our body. Over the myriad years of healthcare researches and inventions in the field of health, special emphasis has been given on one's mental health. It constitutes the most essential part of our body functioning. Our emotional, social well-being and psychological state is the condition of our mental health. So, it affects our mood, actions and thinking ability as well. It varies from person to person according to their family background, circumstances, and biological factors as well. So, it constitutes and is responsible for whole body functioning healthily. The need for stable mental health. Oblivion to the role of mental health in our day-to-day activities, we often neglect the requirements and need for the stability. However, it plays a huge role in determining one's potentiality. Number 1. Self-confidence and belief to realize and challenge one's potential up to the brim. Number 2. Stress management is essential to work productively. Number 3. To deal with daily life stress and anxiety, maintaining the composure and balance. Number 4. To act as a civil member of society and contribute to its welfare. Number 5. To provide a nurturing and healthy relationship. So, mental stress often leads to chaos and destruction in families. Factors affecting it. The mental health is greatly influenced by our lifestyle, biological factors, family backgrounds, and many intangible factors. Therefore, it greatly varies from person to person. Lifestyle or life experiences. One's lifetime experiences play a vital role in determining one's mental health. So, experiences like abuse, trauma, deaths, bully, etc. can cause massive change and have a drastic effect on one's mental health. Also, social, economic or political abuse or deprivation can disrupt one's mental health. Therefore, our mental health is majorly affected by our life experiences. However, this makes it necessary to hold an optimistic outlook towards life. Genetic. Quite often it is observed that genes influence the mental health of a person. Also, bipolar disorders, schizophrenia, autism, depression, and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder are very often found in people with slight gene variations. Thus, these 5 mental disorders had known to share similar hereditary factors. Biological factors. Many biological factors are known to have an impact on one's mental health. So, chemical and chromosomal abnormalities, medical illnesses like AIDS, lupus, Alzheimer's disease, etc., and poor medication can drastically affect one's mental condition. Number 4. Daily habits. Daily habits of an individual is a reflection of his or her mental health. Both healthy and unhealthy daily habits impact it. Daily habits that affects mental health. Sleep. A quality sleep of 6 to 8 hours is essential for maintaining composure and balance. Thus, deprivation of sleep often leads to anxiety, stress, grumpiness, and mood swings. Quality sleep can definitely elevate our mental condition as our body processes and heals during sleep. Usage of the phone. Researchers claim that people who use their phone excessively show profound symptoms of mental disorders like anxiety, depression, chronic stress, etc., in spite of the fact that it keeps beloved ones close right on our fingertips. Smoking or drinking. We often hear smoking and drinking is injurious to health, though little did we know that it is not only injurious to our physical health but also have a terrible effect on our mental health as well. Similarly, drug abuse is not only a serious legal offense but also impacts us awfully. Signs of these disorders. In today's fast-moving world with increasing advancements and technologies, issues regarding mental health are also rising vertiginously. So, some symptoms of mental disorders are a feeling of hopelessness and pessimism, inaccurate amount of sleep, either sleeping too much or too less, unhealthy eating habits, drained energy and fatigues, poor concentration power, unexplained anxiety, worries, and guilt, unsociable behavior, pulling away from people and not interacting much with people. It includes sudden pain and aches, abandoning pleasing activities and unable to rejoice or enjoy, experience of a sudden and high mood swings, embracing illusions, detachment from reality and believing and hearing things that are untrue like hallucinations, paranoia, and delusions. Bothered by persistent thoughts. Falling into the clutches of smoking, drug abuse, and alcohol. Unable to maintain healthy social relations with family and friends, leading to futile and bitter fights or detachment. Self-harm or thoughts of harming others. And lastly, inability to cope up with daily issues. Ways to deal with mental issues. It is quite evident that issues regarding mental health have gained relevant importance due to the vast amount of prey falling to it. It is undeniable that somewhere all of us are suffering from mental issues on a range of mild to severe. So, we can for sure safeguard ourselves from the mental issues by taking certain measures like having quality and adequate amount of sleep, having a positive outlook towards life, developing coping and problem solving skills, communicating and building a strong and healthy relationship with people, getting professional and medical help if the problem becomes serious. Thus, we should never neglect our mental health as it plays a vital role in our life.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.